Hey guys, today we're taking a look at this pressure washer surface cleaner. Nice parts list. .45 4,500 psi hose. So this is the unit itself. As you see, two high pressure nozzles which release the water and it cleans it. So basically how this unit works is you connect your pressure washer line to this line, and once turned on, it starts spinning, and this water will then clean concrete and different surfaces. And this brush will scrub the bottom a little bit as it moves along. Standard nozzle. All your connectors and adapters and everything needed. I tell you guys, the first time we did them was horrid. I mean, just horrible. But they look good. We also did the windows as well. So they're nice and shiny, mirror effect. Yep. As the first time I did it, I didn't have any other shoes and my regular shoes got soaked, and that wasn't fun. All these shopping carts we move out. Nobody does that. So this part's already drying a little bit. Here you can see all the dirt, a lot of dirt. Well, that was a job and a half. On to the next.